drawing I did in my Sightseeing with Dignity, Tolerance, Human Rights, Education, Art series. My cousin Tom here. And this is one of the girls who died in the Ku Klux Klan bombing of a church in Birmingham, Alabama, September 15th, 1963. That was a tough year. Kennedy was assassinated just 2 months later. Anyway, with Trump's unrepentant race hate campaign, TRUMP, Ku Klux Klan, race hate, blech. And this is from a photograph of one of the girls who died in the Klan bombing of that church. Do you remember that? And
yeah.
I thought this would be of interest to you, particularly because you and my brother took the train from Manhattan and you went to the March on Washington and you heard Martin Luther King.
Right, in person. And
Yeah.
we weren't that far from the stage either.
Wow, wow.
Yes, and at the time there was some signs from the march that people had or were up front, and I believe your brother Richard and I took one of those signs when it was over.
Huh.
And I don't know whatever happened to that sign.
Oh, it's probably long gone.
Yeah.
So what do you think of this drawing?
Well, very interesting. Very, the face here is very realistic. The other things are more idealistic.
Well, I drew wings for years, metaphoric wings, and then I began allegorical sea monsters, and I've done both over the years, both in terms of like teaching children and teenagers and young adults, and also in presentation with adults of all ages, including seniors our age. So, but the allegorical sea monsters have worked really well when I was still going to schools and doing presentations and stuff.
So this young girl, she's holding a doll?
Yeah, she was holding a doll in the photograph, taken naturally before she was murdered by the Klan.
Right. And are these sort of like sea cucumbers or things?
Allegorical sea monsters.
From underwater, sure.
And this thing is like one big allegorical sea monster here, in which I've addressed Trump's race hate, which I think propelled him into the White House, sadly enough, all these decades later.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's interesting. I don't know how many people looking at it would know.
Well, if it was exhibited in a gallery or a museum, it would have label copy signage with her name and the info about the Klan bombing of that date in 1963.
Right. Yeah, very, very interesting. Is that a little foot, the red thing?
Little what?
Foot? Legs?
It's like a tongue.
Oh, a tongue. And this monster has, well, it almost looks like I don't know what, a car logo type of thing. Anyway, that's a tongue also.
Oh, just red mouth, yeah. Okay, thank you, Cousin Tom.
Okay, it's my pleasure.